and a director once said this: "I have always liked Saturn, but I also have some sympathy for Pluto because once you have given something a planetary status, it is mean to take it away." Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all Homo sapiens on the planet. Did you remember the devastating event where the International Astronomical Union (IAU) downgraded the status of Pluto because it did not meet the three characteristics that IAU uses to define a full-size planet in August 2006? My name is Intan Syahira binti Abdul Samad, a student from the University of Adelaide majoring in space science and astrophysics. During my second year of study, I was allowed to take part in a research about the dwarf planet with the Australian Space Agency in Adelaide itself. Thus, this topic is very interesting for me because I am a huge fan of our Milky Way solar system. Now, before we proceed, where do you stand? Do you think Pluto should still be considered as a planet or not? My first point will be the meaning of a planet itself. The International Astronomical Union (IAU) has defined a planet as an object based on four characteristics, which is orbit the sun, has sufficient mass to be round or nearly round, not a satellite in a bracket moon of another object, and lastly has removed debris and small projects from the area around its orbit. On the other hand, the term planet was originally comes from a Greek word for wanderers. These moving stars were observed by many ancient cultures until the arrival of the telescope in 16,000 that the astronomers were able to look at them in more detail. Nothing has come to Pluto's size was found in the solar system for more than 2 generations until the year of 2000, when Mike Brown, a young astronomer, decided upon searches for objects in the outer solar system. This has come to my second point, where Pluto is categorized as a dwarf planet by the astronomers. The three objects that are in the same size as Pluto is Ceres, Makemake, and Eris. Ceres orbits in the asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter. Just like Pluto, Makemake is a part of Kuiper belt, a region of trillions of icy objects orbiting Neptune and other dwarf planets at the edge of our solar system. But there are new reasons why Pluto should be considered a planet after all. A new study by Mercer, Skies, Stern and Runyon 2019 states that the IAU standards for segregating planet is not supported by the research on Pluto, and therefore it is valid to call Pluto as a planet. The team found only one publication from 1802 where the clearing of orbit was found and was used as a requirement for classifying planets from the past 2,000 years of scientific literature. According to Metzer et al., IAU's definition was incorrect since their review clearing an orbit has not been standard practice when attempting to distinguish asteroids from the planet. Since this is a false historical claim, it should be applied to Pluto as well. Now, is it convincing enough for you to choose whether Pluto should be considered as a planet or not? That is all from me. Thank you.